Welcome back. In this video, I will talk about Python operators. There are several categories of operators in Python. Now let's see them. First category is arithmetic operators. And under this, first is plus for addition, minus for subtraction, slash for floating point division, double slash for float division, star for multiplication, percentage for modulus or remainder operator, and double star for exponentiation or power. Now let's see examples. First one is plus or addition. Suppose I am typing 6 plus 2, that is 8, and type 6 minus 2, that is 4, and type 6 star 3, that is 18. So simple. Now comes the slash operator, that is division. For example, type 5 slash 2. It will give you 2.5, not 2, because slash operator does floating point division in Python, not integer division. Now comes the float division. That is, for example, I am typing 5 double slash 2. Then what will be the result? It will give you 2, not 2.5, because float division does integer division by default. But why then a float division? Suppose I am typing a negative number, for example minus 5 double slash 2, then what will be the result? Will it give 2 or 2.5? No. The answer will be minus 3. But why minus 3? Because actually the number is minus 2.5. But float division operator will extract the float of this number. Float of minus 2.5 is minus 3. That's why this result. Remember, the float division operator always extracts the float of the result. And for example, if I give two negative number, for example minus 5 double slash minus 2, then what will be the result? Now the result will be 2, the same as 5 double slash 2, because there are two negative numbers. And the difference will be if there will be one negative number. For example, if I type 5 double slash minus 2, then also the result will be minus 3. And the last is power operator or exponentiation. For example, type 2 double star 3. So this is the power operator in Python, double star. Now it will be 8. And we can give negative power also. For example, if 2 double star minus 3. So the answer is 0.125. And we can give floating point number also. For example, 0.2 double star 0.3. Now we can get this result. So these are all the arithmetic operators. Next is comparison operators. And there are 6 comparison operators in Python. And outcome of all these operators is true or false, that is Boolean. Now let's see them. First one is equality operator. For example, type 5 double equals to 5, and we want to check that 5 is equal to 5 or not. Obviously they are equal, so the output will be true. And if I type 5 double equals to 6, and I want to check that whether 5 is equal to 6 or not, 5 not equal to 6, so the output will be false. And next is not equal to. For example, if I type 5 not equals to 6, here the output will be true if the first item is not equal to second item. Here first item is not equal to second item, so the output will be true. Output is true. And if I type 6 not equals to 6, and here output will be false because both are equal. Now see, false. And next is greater than. For example, type 6 greater than 5, and it will be true because 6 is greater than 5. And similarly less than, type 5 less than 7, and it will be true also because 5 is less than 7. And next is greater than or equals to. For example, type 10 greater than or equals to 5, and here it will be true because 10 is greater than 5. And if I type 10 greater than or equals to 10, and it is also true because 10 is equal to 10. Now see, it is true. And same for less than or equals to. For example, type 45 less than or equals to 45. And here also the output will be true because 45 is equal to 45. So we can apply these comparison operators in case of numeric type, and I'm applying here in case of integer, and we can also apply in case of floating point number. For example, type 5.6 is greater than 6.3, and obviously 5.6 is less than 6.3, so answer will be false. So answer is false. So we can apply it on floating point number also. We can apply comparison operator for list, tuple and string also. For example, take a list s1 equals to 12, 34, 67, and take another list s2 equals to 12, 5, 67. Now if we apply s1 greater than s2, then what will be the result? The logic is it will start comparing from the first two items for both the list, that is 12 and 12. If they are equal, it will go to second item, and in this way it will keep comparing until there is an unequal item. If there is an unequal item, the comparison will be stopped at that point. For example, here it will start comparing from the first item, that is 12 and 12. They are equal, so it will go to second item, that is 34 and 5. Here 34 is not equal to 5, so the comparison will be stopped in this point, and it will check whether 34 is greater than 5 or not. Yes, 34 is greater than 5, so S1 is greater than S2. Now see, it is true. So this is the logic of comparing two lists. For example, take another list S1 equals to 12, 34, and S2 equals to 12, 34, 67. Now if we apply S1 greater than S2, then what will be the answer? Here it will start compare from the first item, 12 and 12, they are equal, so it will go to second item, 34 and 34, they are also equal. Now S1 is finished here, but there is an extra item in case of S2, so it will assume that S2 is greater than S1. So the answer is false here. S1 not greater than S2. Now see, it is false. So in this way, it will compare two lists. We can apply greater than for tuple also. For example, take a tuple S1 equals to bracket 12, 34, 67. Same example I am taking. S2 equals to 12, 8, 67. Now see, and I am typing S1 greater than S2. So here it will start compare from the first item, 12 and 12, it is equal. Then it will go to second item, 34 and 8. It is unequal. So comparison stops here. Here 34 is greater than 8. So S1 is greater than S2. So see, it is true. Now it is in the case of tuple. And we can apply for string also. For example, take a string S1 equals to ABC and S2 equals to ACC. Now if we apply S1 greater than S2, then what will be the result? In the similar way, it will start compare from the first character, A and A, they are equal, and it will go to second item, that is B and C, they are not equal. So the comparison stops here. And B is less than C, so S1 is less than S2, not greater than. So it is false. Now see, it is false. So we have applied greater than in case of list, for tuple and for string. But remember that don't apply greater than for set. For example, take a set S1 equals to curly brace 12, 45, 67, and take another set 12, 5,67. Now first see the content. S1 is this and S2 is this. Now if we apply S1 greater than S2, now it should show that it is true because 45 is greater than 5. Now see, but it is showing it is false. So it is giving a wrong answer. So don't apply greater than for set. Remember that. So this is all about comparison. So that's all about this video. In the next video we will see Python identity operators. So stay with us and please subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Thank you very much for watching.